Your new part project at Graphicast begins with a consultation with one of our sales representatives or designers. Whether at a trade show, over the phone, via email, or a personal visit, the discussion provides Graphicast with important insight into your design. This allows us to develop optimal part performance at the best possible price.
That must be some small graphite in there.
It is.
Once we identify your design intent, Graphicast begins the design process by making sure your part has the proper casting features, such as draft and edge radius. Once that is done, the designers move on to the design of the graphite casting mold, the heart of the Graphicast process. Here, we work on the position of the gates and runners. These features optimize the flow of molten metal into the mold cavity to give you the densest possible casting. The design team also develops the CNC machining program and the specialized fixtures we need to machine the fine details into the part. The mold makers take the mold machining program the designers developed and begin the process of sculpting the two blocks of graphite that complete the mold. Through finer and finer passes over the blocks, the final mold pattern begins to evolve. The finished mold has polished surfaces that guarantee an extremely fine surface finish on the castings. This quality eliminates the costly surface preparation done with many other casting techniques. The casting operator mounts the finished mold into one of Graphicast's proprietary casting machines. Here, we control metal temperature, casting rate, and cooling time to provide consistent quality from part to part. Graphicast utilizes modern, high-speed CNC machining centers for all secondary machining operations. These machines provide the accuracy and repeatability needed to meet the exacting standards of our customers. While the casting department is developing process settings for the new casting, the CNC machining department is putting the final touches on its machining program. Here, the machinist is using an automated tool setter to measure the cutting tools that will machine the casting. The tool setter sends this measurement information over our data network to the CNC machining centers. These measurements provide the detailed instructions the machinists need to fine-tune the CNC machining process. After the CNC machining center receives the cutting tool information from the tool setter, the machinist proves out the CNC setup process using the custom design fixture. Once the setup is done, the operator checks and refines the machining parameters to optimize machining time and dimensional tolerances. Operators conduct in-process inspection and dimensional checks to maintain dimensions within established ranges. Graphicast employs an automated CMM, both during process development and in normal day-to-day production as the ultimate quality tool. The CMM measures all dimensions and features of the part to ensure Graphicast is meeting the tolerances and positions specified in our customers' mechanical drawings and CAD models. We print and maintain CMM reports to provide an ongoing record of quality assurance. The finished parts are now ready for your approval. Generally, once you approve our CAD model design, a finished machine casting is in your hands within 4 to 6 weeks.